In this video, I'm going to teach you the Flex Your Weather Roblox vault code. So if you want to open the vault and you're missing the code, I'll show you the steps on how to get it. So as you can see here, I have in here this article from the bunker itself. So for this case, you just need to open the bunker, the chapter 1, it's stretched far beneath the earth, and you can see in here per chapters option. So you can find the code by reaching into a book and you should be able to have it right there. So as you can see right here, the last paragraph of the book is encrypted with a Caesar cipher. So if you shift by 25 letters or A to Z, you can get the following message, which is this right here. So apparently the code within the book is unique for each server. So it depends on what kind of server you have. On this example, we have 065420. You have to check it onto your book itself. So if you type the code in the chat, you will get the golden bat item for that as well. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.